Yo, it's Chriso from Down Under. It's more walls. I just ducked out for lunch and now we're into it again. So I'll just pop this on my head. And we're away. I'll tell you what though, this stuff gives me the screamers. Be alright if I had a lot of sandwiches for lunch. I could take it home and use it for Glad wrap, but oh boy, sticks to everything. Anyway. All good. For the DIY people out there, a lot of people use a white tile. They're very popular over here in Oz. They're brilliantly cut, nice and square, and a damn good price. Like, whoa, cheap as chips. I'm talking 14 bucks a metre, which is pretty good. Like I've said before, always try and start off level in your home and hose. If you're slightly out and don't know it, but on your second row, well then you just adjust it slightly with a wedge. I'll do one more and then I'll put those in. I never go too high and leave all those because you could be creeping out, and you must always stay on the lines if you can. Just a little trick. Whoa, I've forgotten the clips. Bang them in. Yeah, you sort of do two and then put your cuts in, because all the time you're watching your line here. Oh. Weekend tomorrow. Couple of days off. bit of relaxation. A lot of times I price jobs on a Saturday, but I've got that much in front of me. I don't need to price another job for at least 2 months. Which is cool. Where is my rubber hammer? You DIYers get a good pair of knee pads, eh? A good pair of knee pads, you know, like they cost me 40 bucks, but do they save my knees big time? I wouldn't go without them. Now, the first thing I put on when I arrive on the job. When you're marking a cut, you see how I'm doing it. Your bottom, that's my bottom. So you mark it there and then you flip it up or over, because when you turn it around, the bottom is actually your top. Bit. Where is my trowel now? I'm not quite. I didn't cut it square, and I'm a little bit too long. If it's too long, don't force it, just cut it and you'll be home and hose.